Hello everyone, this is Askar Nazir. In this video we will discuss about the main method. What is main method, why we need it, and how we can create one. So the main method is basically the starting point for your Java code. It's just an entry point from where Java starts to execute your code. Now why we need it? When we are writing code, we write so many classes, we create so many classes, different classes inside a project. We might have thousands of classes, and we need to tell Java that from which class it should start the execution of the code. It's just like anything else that we do, just like the essays or just like anything that we write, it always have a starting point. So for Java, this main method indicates from where it should start to execute your code, and from this main method it knows, okay, this is the class from where I should start executing the code. Now how we can create it? There are so many ways that we can create this main method. For example, in IntelliJ we have a shortcut. We can simply type main and hit enter or press the tab button, and it will auto complete the main method for you. If it is still not clear that what is the main method, you can think of it as the main door of your home, right? If the main door is not opened, you cannot enter the home. So it's like your main door. Java executes the code from here. So let me also show you a demo that how we can create the main method in IntelliJ and what are the consequences if we are not following all the rules about the main method. So let me create a new class. Let me call it main method demo, and this is a simple class. If I want to run this class, as you can see, this green button that we use to run the code, it's disabled right now because there is no main method here. Unless and until we have a main method, we will not be able to execute our code. So I simply have typed main and then I'm hitting the tab button and it will auto complete the main method. And notice also, the moment we write the main method, this green button appears here, and this green button also activates here. That means now this class has a starting point, this class has that main door, and we can start executing the code. So for example, if I write hello world, so this is the first line that Java will execute, and then this is the second line that Java executes. So Java will start the execution from this line, of course. So let me run it, and I first see the hello world because this is the first line in the main method, and then I see the hello Java. Now in the initial days, we will be writing most of our code inside the main method, and if we try to write this code outside of the main method, for example inside this class here, or maybe outside of this class, something like this, we will get errors. We will learn later on, however, how to write code outside of the main method as well, but for now we will be writing most of our code inside the main method. So please make sure that all of your code is inside the main method, otherwise it will not work. Now there are some important elements to this main method. For example, this main method must have this public keyword. The moment I remove this public keyword, you will see this green button that we can use to run our code is gone, and if I try to run this code from here, I will get an error that main method is not found. That public is very important. Similarly, if I remove this static, same, it will not work. If I remove this void, it will not work. If I change this main to something else, it will not work. If I put something here, let's say maybe instead of this string, if I put integer, again it will not work. So this main method, it must be a public, it must have this static, void, main, everything must be same, otherwise it will not work. We need to write these things exactly the same because this is how Java recognize, okay, this is the main method from where it should start the execution our code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.